Welcome back. It's time for sports.
2008 Olympic and 2009 World 400-meter hurdles champion Melaine Walker is now coaching. It's not a profession that she had initially given any thoughts to, but now she's enjoying herself as a member of the coaching staff at Hydel High, the reigning ISA Girls Champs winners.
Been coaching since this year. It's this year, yes. And Hydel High School, the boys and girls champs, and they went on to break the record in the 4x4 world record. So I'm pretty pleased. I mean, never expected, but what I've realized over the years is that sometimes I pursue things and God wants something different from me. But now I'm learning to just, relax and accept what is being given.
The national 400-meter hurdles record holder is the second Jamaican woman behind Dian Hemmings Makati to win gold in the event at the Olympics and the first to win a world title in the event. But how did the coaching opportunity at Hydel come about?
I went to Corey Bennett to pursue my sprint hurdling career because obviously you probably know the story about 4 hurdles. Wanted to really dominate her to get back into the sprint hurdling. So I went to Corey Bennett to train, and my first year went well, and on the second year when I was supposed to go back into training, apparently Corey Bennett lost a coach and they needed some assistance, and he asked for me to assist him. And I took the initiative and just went ahead and do it.
CEO of Team Jamaica Bickle, Erwin Clare, is asking Jamaicans to take care of the defibrillators distributed to schools while warning against theft. Since 2014, Team Jamaica Bickle has been on a mission to equip schools across Jamaica with defibrillators.
We present these machines to schools, but it does not necessarily confine itself to schools. If there are activities taking place in the community where the school exists, where a large gathering of people are taking place, it's incumbent on us to ensure that such a machine is available. Make sure that your fire department knows that you have one. Make sure the emergency services know that you have one, so we can share this equipment. So it's not a piece of equipment that you keep locked away. And while we do that, Jamaica, it is an equipment that is there to help us as a people. So there is no need for someone to steal it.
And Claire wants it to be mandatory for every school to have a defibrillator, and not just in competition, but also at training.
It is important that coaches and managers of teams and those who are charged with the responsibility of our athletes or sports young men and women, that they have this equipment when they go out in the field of play, whether they be training or going for a game. It must be available. This is part of something too that we'd like to impress on Jamaica, and that is to ensure that there's a policy in place that includes the use of a defibrillator machine, but also further looks at the medical history of all our participating athletes. Make sure that those who have responsibilities of our athletes understands the medical history of a child, so that we can better tend to them in cases of emergency.
26 defibrillators were distributed to various schools at the handing over ceremony at GC Foster College recently. As part of its Defibrillating Schools program, Team Jamaica Bickle has distributed over 160 AED kits to schools across Jamaica. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.